Hi, my name is Frank Lan. I'm a product manager at Microsoft PowerApps. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly connect your data in Azure Data Lake to PowerApps using virtual tables. This is a really easy way to leverage big data you may already have stored as Parquet files. Then, represent those in Dataverse without having to migrate the source. And with that, making the data available for building PowerApps or using across Power Platform. First, using Azure Synapse, you can orchestrate at the data lake layer. Second, you can create serverless SQL pools from which you can access the Parquet files through SQL external tables. These tables can be queried just like any other SQL table. Next, with virtual tables in Dataverse, you can easily create virtual tables that represent the serverless SQL tables. Then you can use the virtual tables in PowerApps or across a Power Platform. See what we did there? We connected Parquet files to Dataverse and PowerApps in just a few steps. And now, on to the demo. In this first step, we're looking at Azure Synapse, and I'm browsing my serverless SQL pool for external tables. I'm selecting this table and then taking a look at the schema. Let's flip over to PowerApps. In Maker Portal, I will start a new virtual table using our creation wizard. I'll use a SQL Server connection to connect to my serverless pool. Now select the same table that we saw before. The configuration looks good. We'll review and finish creating here. Now we land in Table Hub, and I can see my completed table. Let's verify the schema with the source in Synapse. Checking it over, it looks good. Back to PowerApps. Let's finish by creating an app over the table. Give it a name, and we're good to go. We'll give it a moment to transition to the designer. Here we're inside the modern app designer. This view needs adjusting, but otherwise we're set. And that's it, end-to-end into a Power App in just a few minutes. We made 2 virtualization hops, one through serverless SQL, and again through virtual tables in Dataverse. Try it out for yourself, and let us know your feedback in the comments. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.